Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Traditional businesses provide a product or service and earn profit from the sales. These businesses are in manufacturing, distribution, retailing, and other. Blockchain uses a different business model due to the decentralized nature of the network. Here are the key business models. Blockchain as a service provides a blockchain for others to use to further their community goals. Ethereum is an example of a blockchain as a service which provides the network and infrastructure for running applications. Tokens as a utility. This business model uses tokens to provide utility to the user. An example is a network using tokens to provide fund transfers. Blockchain-based tools. This business model uses blockchain to provide a specific service. An example is a blockchain-based system that tracks real estate ownership. Blockchain as storage. This business model uses blockchain for storing information and data. An example is a data storage company offering a blockchain-based product for storing data. Blockchain services. This business model provides services related to blockchain development. An example is an engineer who codes smart contracts for blockchain-based applications. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.